In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, we will see en. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So this lesson is about en. And the preposition en can be translated in various ways depending on the context, including in, by, during, and wearing in English. So we will see 4 examples with en. Elle est en France pour les vacances. Elle est en France pour les vacances. Je vais en cours. Je vais en cours. Il travaille en été. Il travaille en été. Elle est habillée en bleu. Elle est habillée en bleu.